Hi, I'm Sam and I'm going to show you a Superdrug tutorial on how to create a waterfall braid. So first of all, I'm going to use a detangler to brush out all the knots in my hair just to make it easier to braid. Next, I'm going to be using a heat protecting spray as I'm going to be curling my hair. Next I'm going to separate my hair into two sections, just so it will be easier for when I curl it to start with the bottom section. So next I'm going to curl my hair starting from the bottom. So just taking a small section, and we're not going to leave it on for very long because we just want a nice loose curl so it's easier to braid. Brushing it through now just so I can get a really nice texture. So now I've got a really nice texture at the bottom. I'm going to release the top section and curl again. Next I'm going to part my hair down the middle and I'm going to use a towel comb. A little tip is to put it central on your nose and then follow it all the way up to keep it nice and straight. I'm going to use a couple of pumps of hair serum just to make it more manageable when I braid my hair. Now I'm going to begin my braid. So I'm going to start with the first section at the top and then separate it into three smaller sections. So we're going to begin like a normal braid. You're going to overlap the two outer sections over the centre section. Then you're going to start adding the hair in. So you're going to get a section from the top, adding it to the braid, and then overlapping it over the centre section again. And this is the piece of hair that you're going to then drop to create that waterfall effect. So pulling it nice and tight so it's nice and neat the whole way down. Then we're going to add the bottom section to the braid. Overlapping again. So I've just dropped my last section of hair and I'm going to put a grip in it just to secure it in place. And now I'm going to move on to the next side. So we're going to start with the first section of hair and we're going to split it into three smaller sections. And then we're going to begin the braid, so overlapping the outer sections across the centre section. Then we're going to start adding the hair into the braid, again overlapping the centre sections. This is when you drop the first section of hair to create the waterfall effect. After dropping the first section of hair, we're going to pick up the next bit and then add it into the braid, overlapping the centre and repeat it from the top, each time dropping the centre section. Keeping it nice and tight so the braid is neat. And then I'm going to secure it with two grips. I'm going to use a little bit of serum on the sections of hair that we've dropped down in the waterfall braid, just to give it some definition. And we're going to finish our look with some hairspray.